Good morning everybody and welcome back to Vlogmas. Today is December 18th. I thought I would share a full day of eating with you guys today. I'm not really trying to lose weight. I'm not trying to lose weight right now. I'm just eating healthy through the holidays. So I'm gonna eat some sensible, regular, healthy meals, and then I'm gonna definitely have some treats today as well. So I just thought I would share that with you guys. So it is about 7 a.m. I'm going to work out. I work out first thing pretty much every morning. So I just wanted to share with you guys, I guess, the first thing that I'll be eating today. I don't really usually count this as eating, but since we're doing this, I guess I will. So I'm going to take my blender bottle, fill that up with water, and then add 1 scoop of Prolific from PE Science, as well as 1 scoop of High Volume, also from PE Science. And both of these items are on my Christmas list because I use the Prolific probably every day and the High Volume at least on my upper body days because I do like a good little bro-y pump. Okay, but other than that, I'm just gonna go work out and then I will catch you guys after that. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn post notifications on so you can always be notified whenever I post a new video. And make sure you like this video, give this video a thumbs up if you like full days of eating or eating in general, because I love eating and I think you probably do too. So give this video a thumbs up and I'm gonna go work out. I'm feeling much more awake now that I have worked out and showered, and I'm very hungry also, so time for my first meal of the day. Okay, I have pretty much the same breakfast every morning, so today is going to be just like every other day. 2 egg whites, 1 whole egg. I already have some onion chopped that's in the Tupperware. I'll chop up that bell pepper. I've been adding these sweet potato ribbons into my egg scramble just for a little bit extra carb, a little bit more filling. And then I use this Weight Watchers reduced fat cheese because I can't tell the difference. I almost actually, if there is a difference, I prefer this than I do regular cheese, but basically just an egg scramble. Also gonna have 2 pieces of toast with probably about a tablespoon of apple pumpkin butter on them. So I'm almost out, but this is the Trader Joe's white sandwich bread. And then this is the apple butter that I get. Mine is from Boa Vista Orchards. I don't know if that's focusing. There we go. Love, 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 love. Apple butter is also good. Apple pumpkin butter is better. Okay, meal 1 is ready. Not the prettiest, I would say, but very high volume. This is 2 egg whites and 1 egg. I pretty much loaded up on onions, bell pepper, and then I have a half a serving of those sweet potato ribbons, and that's really giving it a lot of volume. Also, probably the cheese isn't hurting because it's like creating a binder, making everything stick together, so it looks a lot better. And I probably have a half a serving to 2/3 of a serving there. I'm saying like probably because my food scale actually broke probably like 6 or 7 months ago. So it is, I have the Nutrition Facts, I think is what it's called, food scale on my Christmas list. I really hope someone gets me that. You can get it from Bed Bath & Beyond or from Amazon, and that's just like my preferred way to measure out my food. But I'm not dieting. I'm trying to eat more right now, like happy to put on a little bit of weight. I obviously have since 6 or 7 months ago. So this is working for me. It's some sort of like intuitive / memorization eating because I know what all of these serving sizes look like. So I'm definitely conscious of how much I'm eating. I'm not just freely eating here. I'm measuring just a little bit differently than like using a food scale, really just because I have experience with it. But this is meal number 1, official first meal of the day. I'm gonna eat this. No coffee with it right now because the Prolific I had in the morning does have caffeine in it, and I'm actually gonna meet a friend for coffee. Otherwise, I would have caffeine with this, or I would have coffee with this. But yeah, so this is what we're working with. I'm gonna eat this and catch you guys later. Okay, I just got back from having coffee with my friend. I got a mint mocha, so I didn't vlog it because I'm very awkward vlogging in public, and I had not seen my friend. She lives in Germany, so I hadn't seen her in years, literally years, so I didn't want to be vlogging. I'd rather just like hang out with her. So I also hadn't been to Mishka's. We went to Mishka's in Davis. I haven't been to that coffee shop in years either. I used to go there all the time with her, so that's why we went. So I like their mint mocha. I haven't had their mint mocha in forever. I wanted their mint mocha. I got their mint mocha. It's not the healthiest thing in the world, obviously not, but that isn't the biggest deal. Like, that's not something I'm really gonna worry about. However, that coffee was all carbs and I'm hungry now, so I definitely need to get some protein in. It's about 2 o'clock, so it's a good idea for me to get some more protein in. So I am going to make some chicken and some vegetables right now and eat that. Okay, so I made a little chicken and veg meal here. I have about half of an 8-ounce chicken breast over broccoli slaw. I have some butternut squash zigzags I got in my Trader Joe's grocery haul the other day, so this is actually my first time trying them. I had a bite already, they're okay. And then just some broccoli. I boiled some water and put the broccoli in, so just steamed broccoli. So this is gonna be my just like mid-afternoon meal. It's mostly just protein right now. Again, I had that mint mocha, so that's kind of how I'm balancing that out. I am hungry, but I probably don't need carbs because that coffee probably had more carbs in it than I really needed anyways. So I'm gonna eat this and find you guys later, I guess. Okay, so I'm currently finishing up some work, but I'm gonna take Aliko for a walk in a little bit. So I just wanted a snack. So I'm gonna have this ABC bar from Trader Joe's. It is almond butter and cocoa powder. Almond butter cocoa bar flavored with other natural flavors. I got this in my Trader Joe's haul. It is so super good. Pretty much just peanut butter and chocolate, or almond butter and chocolate, but nothing wrong with that. So I'm gonna have this and then take a Aliko for a walk. Eating again. I am heading out to Target to get some stuff, so I'm going to bring this one protein bar with me. I love the One Bars. Blueberry cobbler is my favorite, but this cinnamon roll will do. And then I'm gonna also probably have a serving of these bad boys. I've posted about them a couple of times on my Instagram, so I'll just show you them. I bought these off Amazon because they were cheaper, but I did have to buy like 6 boxes at once. It's fine, but these aren't the best ones. The like regular chocolate chip ones taste like Famous Amos, legitimately taste like that. These are a bit thinner in terms of like a cookie. They're really, really crumbly and they are a little bit messy, so that's kind of annoying. That's like what you get with gluten-free cookies. But anyways, that is what I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna head out to Target, probably come back, have that other half of a chicken breast for dinner, and then probably have a nice big fat bowl of Cheerios for dessert tonight. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, dinner is pretty basic tonight. I've got the rest of that the second half of the 8-ounce chicken I had at lunch, some more broccoli from lunch, and then I microwaved some brown rice quinoa. You can get that from Trader Joe's or Costco, I believe, or Rayleigh's. You can get it almost anywhere except for Target. So yeah, so this is dinner tonight. I'm gonna eat this, and Christian should be on his way home, and then I will definitely be eating again later, so I will see you guys then. Okay, for my last meal of the day, I'm gonna have a bowl of Cheerios. It is 8 o'clock at night. I do like to eat at night. I like dessert, and cereal works for me. I don't mind eating carbs at night. I don't mind eating late at night. I'll probably go to bed within, for sure, by 10 o'clock, so within the next 2 hours. I feel fine eating like this. Since my food scale is down, I'm gonna use a cup measure. It's not perfect, but it'll work. I'm gonna have 3 servings of this, which is just what I'm gonna do. So I basically just fill up 2 cups. So I basically just really loosely, not really loosely, but I'm just using the cup, which is gonna be loose in nature, measuring out 3 servings. So I have a bowl of Cheerios now, and then I'll just pour cashew milk is really my preferred milk anyways, over this and call it a night. So all of the food that I've shown you today, not including the mint mocha, equals about 1,800 calories. The mint mocha, I got a small, which is probably, let's just call it a Starbucks, it was smaller. It was probably a Starbucks tall. It's probably between a tall and a grande. So conservatively speaking, because it was a mocha and a mint mocha and there was nothing skinny about it, that's gonna be at least 300 calories. So in MyFitnessPal, and you can go check that out, you can follow me on MyFitnessPal, I have today all logged. I have 1,800 calories. If the drink is 300, conservatively speaking, I'd be at 2,100 calories. And that's honestly a pretty low day for me recently. I'm eating between 2,100 and probably 2,400 calories regularly. On the highest end, I'm probably at 2,600. I just tend to eat less on days that I don't work because I get caught up doing other stuff, and I work in a kitchen, so it's really easy to have access to food when I'm at work. But that is everything I've eaten today. I'm just trying to stay healthy. I'm not trying to eat low carb or lose weight or whatever. So this is just my healthy eating, full day of healthy eating video for you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you'd like to see a video while a full day of eating while I'm dieting, probably check back in January. I mean, don't wait till January to check back. Watch all the other videos, just wait till January. But other than that, subscribe to the channel, turn post notifications on, like this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow.